Do you know where secrets go? 'Cause I've forgotten mine. They've slipped out of my control, and you know where they hide. Your love's a little heavy, you're touching me already, and it's working up my nerves. You should probably forget me, 'cause I'm terrified you'll get me when I'm at my worst. It's not too late to let you know that you're in love with a ghost. So run! Pack up your bags and run. Once you see the truth, you'll be over it. Run! And when it's all said and done, run. You just gotta run. I could whisper sweeter things, and back to me you'd crawl. Puppeteer your love for strings, but it's not love at all. My ego's still providing, I'm not the one who's driving, but I can't find the brakes. Yeah, girl, there's no denying that even though I'm trying, I'm your next mistake. I'm falling in deep. You should take me at my word. It's not too late to let you know that you're in love with a ghost. So run! Pack up your bags and run. Once you see the truth, you'll be over it. Run! And when it's all said and done, run! You know you gotta, you know you gotta, you know you gotta.
पीडब्ल्यू से पढ़कर लाखों बच्चों ने अपना सपना पूरा किया है। इस बार जेईई 2023 में पीडब्ल्यू ने हजारों फ्यूचर इंजीनियर्स बनाए हैं। आपके आईआईटी जाने के सपने को पूरा करने में आपकी हेल्प करने पीडब्ल्यू न्यू बैचेस लेकर आया है। अर्जुना जेईई 3.0 फॉर क्लास 11th जेईई 2025 फोकस बैच, प्राइस एट ₹3,600। लक्ष्य जेईई 3.0 फॉर क्लास 12th जेईई 2024 फोकस बैच, प्राइस एट ₹3,500। इंडिया स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट जेईई ड्रॉपर बैच प्रयास जेईई 3.0 जो होगा आपका रोड मैप आईआईटी तक का। इसका प्राइस है ₹3,600। यह बैच अवेलेबल है हिंदी मीडियम में भी, प्रयास जेईई हिंदी, जिसका प्राइस है सिर्फ 2,700। आपको इन बैचेस में मिलेंगी डेली लाइव क्लासेस, डेली होमवर्क विद वीडियो सोल्यूशन, एवरी संडे टेस्ट सीरीज, रिवीजन, शॉर्ट नोट, फार्मूला सीट एंड माइंड मैप।
I'm in the whip with authority, looking like Sky Bree, she got a body, ayy. And she been calling me daddy lately, want me to put her in Cartiers, and the deserve it. Put in work for the money, she earn it. Give me top every night, lip service. Never gotta block these, she worth it. I'm out in Abu Dhabi with a bad look like Sky Bree, ooh, right beside me. In a phantom off that body, yeah. Abu Dhabi with a bad look like Sky Bree, ooh.
जुनून चाहिए लक्ष्य को पाने के लिए, वरना सपने तो सब देखते हैं दूसरों को बताने के लिए।